Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add Lidl Plus card to wallet. So in order to add Lidl Plus card to your wallet, you can do this procedure either on your Android or on an iOS device. Now first of all, you can use the Photos app, that is open the Lidl Plus app on your smartphone and navigate to a digital card. You can take a screenshot of your Lidl Plus card and save the screenshot to your Photos app. Now whenever you access your card, simply open your photo and display the barcode for scanning at the store. Whereas if you want to actually add it, then you can just download and install the Squad Card app from the App Store or from the Google Play Store, whatever, and launch the app and sign up for it, login into your account. After you've done that, you need to tap the plus button located at the bottom of the app and add a new card. Then you can scan the barcode of your Lidl Plus card or enter the detail manually. Once you've done that, you have successfully added the following app. So basically there's no such direct way of adding the Lidl Plus card to your wallet. So this is how you can use it all you can do is just use it as an alternative method and follow the prompt. So that's basically how you can add Lidl Plus card to wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.